Hello everyone, I am Miss Sam and welcome to my new channel Speak Easy English. What we will do here? We will learn to speak easy English step by step. If you are just starting to learn English, don't worry. I will make it super simple and fun for you. So before we start, quickly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Today we'll learn something that we use every single day. Greetings and magic words. We greet people to show kindness and respect. I'll speak very slowly so that you can follow me. Let's learn how to greet someone in English. Hello. We can say hello any time of the day. Hello, my friend. Hello, uncle. Hello, auntie. Hello, baby. We can say hello to anyone. Can you try saying hello? Say hello to me. Hello, Miss Sam. Say like that. Very good. Hi. Hi is a shorter and friendlier way to say hello. Hi, how are you? Can you try saying hi? Yes, like that. Good morning. Say this before noon when the day starts. From now on, every morning, whoever you will meet, try saying good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Say this after 12 noon until evening. Good afternoon, my friend. Good evening. Say this when it starts getting dark. Good evening. Will you start saying from today? Yes. Good night. Say this when you are going to sleep. Good night. Well done. Bye when you are leaving. And what else can you say? See you soon. Hope to see you again. Awesome. Well done. Now let us learn magic words. Sorry, please, thank you. These are the magic words. Do you know why we call them magic words? Because these words can make people smile and feel happy. Let's say them together. Please. When do you say please? When you ask for something. Please give me some water. We cannot say give me some water. That will be very rude. We must say please give me some water. Or please open the door. Please open the door. We cannot say open the door. That will be very rude. We must always add please. Open the door, please. That is also fine. Or please open the door. Please sit down. Can we say sit down? No, that will be like ordering someone. To be polite, we can add please. Please sit down. Please help me. Can you give me one example of using please? Please come in. Now, can you practice saying please? Very good. Thank you. When do you say thank you? When someone helps you or gives you something. Like, thank you for your help. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for listening. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for coming. These are very nice words to use. Start using these words from now on. And when someone says thank you to you, what do you say? Welcome. We say welcome if someone says thank you to us, like thank you for your help. We can say you are welcome. Thank you for the gift. We can say you are welcome. Thank you for listening. We can say you are welcome. Sorry. When we make a mistake, we must not be afraid or ashamed to say sorry. I'm sorry for being late. Sorry, I'm late. We can say this way too. I'm sorry for the mistake. It is a nice thing to say, right? Yes. Sorry, I can't come today. Sorry, I dropped your book. Will you start practicing saying sorry from now on? Yes. Can you write one example in the comment? Very good. I will be waiting to see the comments. Excuse me. When do we say excuse me? When you want to get someone's attention or pass by politely. Excuse me, can I come in? Excuse me, please move a little. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Pardon. When you did not hear something clearly, you can say pardon. Can you repeat that, please? Pardon. Allow me. when you politely offer help. Allow me to carry that for you. This is a very polite thing to say, right? Thank you for helping me. And what can you say? Welcome or it's my pleasure. Great job, everyone. Can you watch the video one more time and practice what we learned today? Yes, can you do that? Go back and watch the video again and again, and don't feel shy to practice these words from now on. Will you try? Yes, very good. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification. Bye. See you soon. Keep practicing.